Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a professional email hosting and also how to create an email account. So let's get started. So the first step is to log into your Harmon Web Hosting account. So from your Harmon Web Hosting account, currently I have one active services, which is my hosting account and my domain name. To add a new service, we click on the services option. We click on other new services. From here, we see different services. I'm going to scroll to the professional email service. From here, I'll click on professional email. So from here, you'll be able to choose your professional email type. We'll view the plans and prices. Here you see the different plans and prices for professional emails. You have the OS App Suite, which is for 2003 a month, and also the OS App Suite Plus Productivity, which is best suited for businesses that are very large and are scalable and want to like scale up. You can use this second option, but if you're just starting out your business, you can make use of the first plan here and you can still scale up in the future. So from here, I'm going to be using the first option, which is the OS App Suite. I'll click on Buy Now. From here, I already have an existing domain name, and I can also select other domain names if I have more than one domain name. And if you have a domain name that you purchase from a different domain registrar, you can click on the second option here and put your domain name. And don't forget to choose your payment type here. Now this is set to default to 1 month payment, but you can just choose any of payments plan here. I'm going to leave mine as a default 1 month payment. I'll click on the checkout option. From here, you review your product and ensure that everything is in order. So mine is in order here. So I'll click on checkout. From here, you'll be able to choose your account, or you can create a new account if you don't have account. I'm going to use my default account. So from here, you have the option to choose your payment method. You can use card or Flutterwave. You can add additional notes. Then you agree to the terms of service and you click on complete order. So from here, you have your invoice number and you also have your payment method here. You can also change your payment method here and just go through these details to ensure that everything is all right. You can print or download your payment invoice. You can go ahead and make your payments. And when you've made your payments and your payment has been confirmed, your pay status should change to paid. So after you've made your payments and your payment has been confirmed, the professional email account should be added to your services. So I'll click on my services here. And from here, my professional email account has been added as my services here. Now to create an email account for this professional email hosting, we click on manage. From here, we scroll to the email management. So I'll click on manage email accounts. So currently I have no user yet. So I'm going to create a user. Here you put any name you want to use for your email address. And you can also choose the display name for your email address. You can also use any name here. Notice here we have a custom domain name and you can also generate a password here. And I'll add the email account. With this, I've successfully created an email account for my professional email hosting. You can click on the manage account to change your display name, your first name, and also your last name. You can also click on the set password to input a new password for your email. And you can also delete a particular user, and you can also create a new user for your email account. Now to log into this email account and also see email sent to this email account and also to send email from this email address we've just created, you click on login to AS App Suite. And from here, you put the name of your email address, which was the first user that we created, and also the password for the user that we created, and you click on sign in. So here we have the second factor authentication. Now you can decide to start the tour or start the tour later, but I'm just going to click on cancel. And from here, you'll be able to see your inbox messages, your draft messages, and also your sent messages. You can also create a new email account here. So this is your display name, which can still be changed from your Harmon Web account. You can also put in your email here and also the subject, then you send your message. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you.